Feeling unsafe in a relationship is more common than you think, and I've got the exact steps to help rebuild trust and security. Feeling safe in a relationship is crucial for building trust and creating a happy and strong bond. When your partner doesn't feel safe in the relationship, it likely means that they don't feel emotionally, physically, and mentally secure in your presence. It suggests that they don't trust you. They don't feel comfortable being themselves, and they know they are likely be judged, hurt, or mistreated. It can also mean that your actions, words, and support make them feel unprotected and uncared for, not allowing them to relax and be vulnerable with you. This is often a sign of a strong emotional disconnection and a lack of trust in the relationship. When your partner doesn't feel safe, it can lead to emotional distance, misunderstandings, and tension. So when safety is missing, it's important to address it. Some main causes of why your partner may feel unsafe are lack of trust. When trust is broken, a sense of safety can disappear. Whether it's lying, keeping secrets, or infidelity, trust issues can make your partner feel unsure and unsafe. Past experiences can also affect how safe your partner feels with you. If they've been in unhealthy or abusive relationships before, it can carry over into your relationship, even if you're doing your best. Also, when communication is bad, it can make your partner feel misunderstood or ignored. Arguments that escalate into insults or yelling can also cause a sense of emotional danger. If one partner is overly controlling, making all the decisions, monitoring activities, being judgmental, or overly possessive, it creates an unsafe environment where the other person may feel trapped or unable to be themselves. So, how do you know your partner is not feeling safe in the relationship? Emotional withdrawal, where your partner stops sharing their feelings, avoids deep conversations, or seems distant. Frequent anxiety or nervousness. This could mean they're afraid of upsetting you or fear your reaction. If your partner avoids disagreements or keeps quiet to avoid arguments, or they tend to hold back. If they avoid being open about their emotions, fears, or thoughts, it's a sign they are not feeling safe and don't feel secure enough to be vulnerable. So, if you notice any of these signs in your partner, then there is a job to be done. This is what you should do if you think your partner is not feeling safe. The first thing you should do is to reassure them of their safety. Get them to talk about it and listen. Initiate a discussion about it and let them express their feelings without interrupting or defending yourself. Just be there for them and show you care about how they feel. Rebuild trust. If trust has been broken, take the necessary steps to rebuild it. Be transparent, keep your promises, and communicate openly. Reassure your partner that they can rely on you. Better communication will also help your partner feel more comfortable. Work on talking openly and honestly about everything, even difficult topics. Avoid blaming or criticizing and focus on understanding each other's perspectives. Give them space. Sometimes your partner may need space to process their feelings. Respect their boundaries and give them the time they need to feel safe again. Don't pressure them to just get over it. Healing takes time. Work on yourself. If there are behaviors on your part that contribute to your partner's lack of safety, it's important to recognize and address them. Whether it's being overly critical, angry, or controlling, make a conscious effort to improve those behaviors. Don't be quick to respond to their actions or words. Consider the impact of your response first. Feeling safe in a relationship is a basic human need. When your partner doesn't feel safe, it's essential to address the root causes, recognize the signs, and work together to rebuild trust and communication. Relationships take work, but the rewards of a secure, loving bond are worth it. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more relationship advice. Have you ever been in a relationship where you felt unsafe? Tell us how you handled it. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.